excited. Let's go in and see what the smaller Ikea layout is like.
So as you can see, this is a smaller storefront, but they still had a lot of the same vignettes, probably about half as many as a normal store. There were a lot of people here, but the main difference is these yellow tags mean that you can order the item online and pick it up in store later once it's shipped there. And then the red tags mean that these are items that are actually carried in store that you can just take home today. So Ikea is known for all of their kitchen organization items, so they had lots of those. They even had the design services, bathroom vanities set out. As you can see, here is the typical dining chair area, so you could still try out a lot of the items. Then they obviously had a full cafe with a lot of the things that you would typically buy, not the full restaurant that some of the bigger stores have, but still a good amount of things that you can have. Then obviously you could try out mattresses and beds. All of our mattresses and blankets and pillows are from Ikea and we're thrilled with them. Here you can see the design services. Their stuffies for kids are incredible. They're such good quality and they're just such cute styles. They also have the typical toys like the play kitchens that they have and just all of their really fun things. I didn't see them in store, but they had them, and these are our favorite night lights that Ikea carries for our kids. All of their organization bins are amazing. They had a lot of them that you could just take home, which was really nice. And of course, all of their kitchen stuff. They had so many different kitchen things. One of our favorites that we have at home, as you can see here, this is my kitchen drawer, are their Tupperware, but it's glass, and I feel like it's better quality than Pyrex. So they had a lot of that. I picked up a pack of these napkins for my son's classroom because it was cheaper than any of the other stores in town. These teapots with tea strainers are wonderful. I have them in both sizes. We use them every morning. A lot of their throw pillows that they're known for and covers, they had a lot of variety there. Here is just kind of a close-up of the layout of the Ikea store. It's just a much smaller scale, but most of the main sections are here for you to check out, which was fun. Then more of their organization, so some of their bathroom things. These suction cup ones I've heard are really good, and I'm wanting to try them. All of these clear plastic bins and organizations are really good. These Kugis ones I have in my pantry and in our office. Then just all the different organization. These Risatorp baskets are so much fun to do as hostess gifts. I do those for my friends. So these scub containers I like to use in all of the drawers in our dressers in our home. They had the viral donut lamp as well as all of their other lighting, which is always really nice to look at. Ikea is definitely known for their candles and decoration and candle holders. I was looking for the very specific type that I didn't see, but when I checked, they are in stock at their store. I was looking for these Stockholm ice cube looking tea lights, so I might just order them online, but they have all of their faux plants. These I want to use outside when we do a landscaping project, and I did buy one of these plant pots. And then you get to the self-service section, which is very small because they only stock a very small amount of things. I feel like they're the very classics, the lac and those type of things. But the nice part is now you can order everything online and pick it up in store or return it if something is damaged. Then you have the checkout section. So it was time for me to check out. And I pretty much got an extra cheese grater. We have one of these, and then this plant pot. And I actually like to use these plant pots in rooms in our house as a trash can because you can put one of the small trash bags on them.
So that was short but sweet. It was a lot of fun to explore the new smaller format store. Most of the things that you would want to pick up, they had. I was surprised that they had a cafe that was open. They also were missing a couple of the newer things and a few of the classics that I was expecting in the self-serve, but they said that they will be getting different inventory in as the store kind of evolves. So we'll see. They didn't have any smart blinds. They also didn't have any smart light bulbs right now. So I don't know if this mini store will get it at all, or if that's just, not if that's just not the type of stuff that they think would move as quickly. So they just have regular light bulbs, but it was definitely fun to go and see. It's a smaller store, but you can get a pretty good feel of what an Ikea is, and it's really nice that you can order everything to this location. So I was hoping to get another one of these Road B armrest covers. They're pretty much for putting your coffee on. A lot of people like to DIY with them as well, and so I will be ordering one of these online. Then I wanted one of these suction cup timers for the bathroom, and that was the only other thing I didn't have. So I am curious, would you be willing to go to one of these small stores instead of just the large format stores? Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Cheers!